Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall WhatsApp from iPhone and keep chat backups, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall WhatsApp from your iPhone while keeping your chat backups, start by opening the WhatsApp application. Tap on the settings icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. In the settings menu, select chats. Next, tap on chat backup. Ensure that you have the most recent backup by tapping backup now. Wait for the backup process to complete. Once the backup is finished, exit the WhatsApp settings. Return to your iPhone's home screen. Locate the WhatsApp icon. Press and hold the WhatsApp icon until it begins to wiggle. Tap the Remove App option that appears on the screen. Confirm the uninstallation by selecting Delete App, and now, WhatsApp is uninstalled from your iPhone. To restore your chats later, reinstall WhatsApp from the App Store. Open the App Store and search for WhatsApp. Tap on the Get button to download and install the app. Once installation is complete, open WhatsApp. Follow the on-screen prompts to verify your phone number. When prompted, select the option to restore from your backup. Your chats will be restored to your device. Now you can start using WhatsApp again with all your previous chats intact. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.